What's up, people? Welcome back again to our channel All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can transform your boring or a wooden headboard to something like this that we are going to be seeing at the end of the video. So in this first clip here, I'm just showing you the necessary tools, materials that I usually use during this process of transformation. So for my client wanted a channel bed, and her bed was a wooden one. This one that you see here on the screen, you can see it's a very old bed, as you can see on the screen, and she wanted it to be made modern and luxurious. So I'm going to be transforming it, but I'm just going to be showing you how I usually transform a headboard only. For this video, I'm just showing you how to transform a headboard. So after measuring the headboard, because the first thing I usually do is measure the height of the headboard, and it's the height, that is to get the measurement of the headboard so that I can know how high I'm going to be raising it. And then after that, I'm just going to be cutting these pieces of wood that you see here so that I can add the headboard to come to the standard or normal height that I usually use. That is between 4 feet to 5 feet. That is the height that I usually do for these headboards. So now I'm just going to be assembling all the pieces here, and then I'm going to be attaching it on top of this old headboard. And I hope you'll enjoy this video. So make sure to watch the video till the end so that you can fully understand all the steps, all the materials that I've used during this process. Anyway, if you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always coming back, watching our videos, liking them and commenting on them. Okay, I'm taking a break from our house transformation, but I'm coming back with other videos soon. So I just wanted to give you another taste of videos like this transformation video. But if you haven't watched our house transformation videos, kindly visit our channel and watch them. Like the videos, comment on them, tell me what you think about them, and share with your friends and family.